Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be taking a look at the top 12 budget motorcycles for beginners in 2026. Number 12, Yamaha V-Star 250. The Yamaha V-Star 250 is one of the most affordable cruiser motorcycles you can still buy new in 2026, and that alone makes it stand out for beginners. With price right around $4,700, it sits thousands of dollars below many mid-size bikes, which matters when you are just starting out and trying to keep total costs low. Insurance is cheap, fuel economy often pushes close to 70 miles per gallon, and maintenance stays simple thanks to its air-cooled 250cc V-twin engine. What makes this bike smart for new riders is not just the price but the size and weight. At roughly 326 pounds wet, it feels light and easy to handle in parking lots and city traffic. The low seat height, just over 27 inches, helps shorter riders plant both feet confidently at stops. The power delivery is smooth and predictable, not intimidating, yet strong enough for commuting and short highway runs. In 2026, many entry bikes are either too sporty or priced above $6,000. The V-Star 250 keeps things basic in a good way. You get classic cruiser styling, simple controls, and a 5-speed transmission that is forgiving while you learn clutch control. It is not built for high-speed touring, but it was never meant to be. It is meant to get you riding without draining your bank account. If you want a real motorcycle experience without a heavy payment, the Yamaha V-Star 250 remains one of the smartest budget beginner choices in 2026. Number 11, Honda Rebel 500. The Honda Rebel 500 is a standout choice for a beginner who wants more room to grow without a big price tag. In 2026, you can find this bike new around $6,000, which puts it above very small starter bikes, but still within reach for many who want comfort and practicality. Its 471cc parallel twin engine delivers smooth, manageable power that will not overwhelm a new rider yet gives enough grunt for freeway cruising and longer rides if you choose to do that. One of the biggest reasons this bike works well for beginners is its size and balance. It feels stable at low speeds and easy to steer through traffic, which are two areas where many new riders struggle at first. The seat is low and comfortable, and the foot pegs and handlebars are placed in a way that keeps your posture relaxed. This reduces fatigue on longer rides and gives you confidence when you are still getting used to shifting and clutch control. Fuel economy is strong for the class, often above 60 miles per gallon, so the cost to ride is low beyond the purchase price. Insurance for the Rebel 500 tends to be reasonable compared with larger bikes, another savings that counts for new riders watching dollars. If you are willing to spend a few extra dollars above the smallest bikes but want a machine that grows with your skill and stays friendly to a new rider, the Honda Rebel 500 remains one of the top budget beginner motorcycles to consider in 2026. Number 10, Triumph Speed 400. The Triumph Speed 400 is one of the most interesting budget-friendly options for beginners in 2026 who want modern style without paying premium brand money. Priced around $4,900 in the United States, it undercuts many other European bikes while still offering solid build quality and a strong feature list. For a new rider watching dollars, that price makes a big difference. The 398cc single-cylinder engine delivers smooth, usable power that feels quick off the line but not scary. It is strong enough for highway speeds, which means you will not outgrow it too fast. At the same time, the throttle response is predictable, making it easier to learn clutch control and slow speed handling. The bike weighs under 400 pounds wet, so it feels manageable in tight spaces and parking lots. Unlike many cheap beginner bikes, the Speed 400 includes modern touches such as a quality suspension setup and standard ABS, which adds confidence for someone still learning emergency braking. Fuel economy often lands around 65 miles per gallon, keeping weekly gas costs low. Insurance also tends to stay reasonable because of the engine's size and entry-level positioning. For riders who want a stylish standard motorcycle that feels more grown-up than a tiny starter bike but still costs under $5,000, the Triumph Speed 400 stands out as a smart beginner buy in 2026 that balances price, performance, and everyday practicality. Number 9. Kawasaki Vulcan S. The Kawasaki Vulcan S is a strong pick for beginners in 2026 who want cruiser comfort with performance that lasts beyond the first year of riding. With a starting price close to $7,000 in the United States, it costs more than entry-level small cruisers, but the extra dollars bring long-term value. The 649cc parallel twin engine built by Kawasaki produces smooth and steady power that feels beginner-friendly yet strong enough for daily highway use. One of the best features for new riders is its adjustable ergonomics. The foot peg position, seat reach, and handlebar placement can be set to match different body sizes. That helps new riders feel in control early, which reduces mistakes at low speeds. The bike weighs about 498 pounds wet, which sounds heavy on paper, but its low center of gravity makes it feel stable and easier to balance than many expect. Fuel economy averages around 50 miles per gallon, helping keep weekly fuel spending reasonable. For beginners who want a cruiser that handles daily commuting, highway travel, and weekend riding without needing a fast upgrade, the Kawasaki Vulcan S remains a practical budget-friendly beginner motorcycle choice in 2026 that balances comfort, performance, and long-term value. Number 8. Suzuki TU250X. The Suzuki TU250X remains one of the purest budget motorcycles you can buy new in the USA in 2026, with a base price close to $4,800 that makes it easy on your wallet up front. Its air-cooled single-cylinder engine is simple and forgiving, which is exactly what a new rider needs while learning clutch and gear control without surprises. Running costs are low because it sips fuel at around 70 miles per gallon, and basic maintenance stays cheap thanks to its straightforward design. This bike feels light and nimble, weighing in around 310 pounds wet, so tight turns, parking maneuvers, and city traffic feel less intimidating than on heavier bikes. Braking is solid and balanced, and the TU250X includes standard ABS for added safety in everyday riding. What makes this bike especially attractive for beginners in 2026 is how relaxed it feels to ride. The power curve is smooth and pleasant, with enough torque for highway on ramps and cruise sections, but not so much that you feel out of control as you learn. If you want a budget-friendly, reliable, and easy-to-live-with motorcycle that keeps the cost of riding low from purchase through insurance and gas, the Suzuki TU250X is a standout choice in 2026 for new riders. Number 7. Royal Enfield Hunter 350. The Royal Enfield Hunter 350 is one of the most talked-about beginner motorcycles in the USA for 2026 because it blends classic look with a modern feel at a price that still makes sense. With price around $4,800, it sits near the lower end of new bikes you can buy, keeping initial dollars down. Royal Enfield designed the 350 engine to deliver smooth, easy power that is forgiving for newer riders but still enough to handle highway speeds when you need them. Part of what makes this bike beginner-friendly is its lightweight and upright riding position. Weighing about 400 pounds wet, it feels easier to move around at low speeds than many larger bikes, and the seat height stays comfortable for a wide range of riders so you feel stable when stopped. The suspension is tuned for comfort on city streets and back roads, which matters when you are still learning how different surfaces affect handling. Fuel economy sits in the mid-60s miles per gallon, helping keep running costs low, and insurance for a 350 class bike is usually more affordable than for bigger engines. The brakes work well and the bike comes with ABS, giving you extra control in unexpected situations. For new riders in 2026 who want a bike that feels friendly, looks good, and does not demand a big payment up front or in ongoing costs, the Royal Enfield Hunter 350 is a smart pick that fits the budget beginner theme. Number 6. Honda CB300R. The Honda CB300R is a strong pick for beginners in the USA in 2026 because it blends easy handling with a sensible price that stays close to $4,700 when new. Its 286cc single-cylinder engine delivers smooth, predictable power that is not intimidating for someone learning clutch and throttle control. This bike feels light and agile in city traffic, thanks to its lean frame and well-balanced setup, which helps new riders feel more in control when turning or stopping. The seat height is moderate, making it reachable for many different rider sizes, and the overall riding position is relaxed enough for short commutes or longer weekend rides once you get comfortable. Fuel economy stays strong, often in the mid-60s miles per gallon, so fuel costs stay low, and insurance rates for this class are typically cheaper than for larger bikes, which helps keep ongoing costs down. For a beginner who wants a straightforward motorcycle that is easy to live with day to day and does not stretch your budget too far in 2026, the Honda CB300R is a sensible and capable choice that will make learning fun without stress. Number 5. Kawasaki Eliminator. The Kawasaki Eliminator is a budget-friendly cruiser that makes sense for new riders in the USA in 2026 who want a low-cost entry into motorcycle ownership without a high learning curve. With a typical new price around $6,000, it sits above the smallest beginner bikes, but still keeps the dollars reasonable compared with larger cruisers. Its 452cc parallel twin engine gives smooth, manageable power that feels easy to control when you are still mastering clutch, throttle, and balance. What sets the Eliminator apart for beginners is the way it feels on the road. It has a low seat height and a relaxed riding position that lets you plant feet down at stops and stay comfortable during city rides or short highway stretches. At roughly 420 pounds wet, it is not heavy for a cruiser, so slow speed turns and parking lot maneuvers feel less intimidating than on bulkier bikes. Fuel economy is reasonable for its class, often in the 50s miles per gallon, keeping running costs in check beyond the purchase price. Insurance on a mid-size cruiser like this tends to stay moderate, which matters when you are budgeting for gear, training, and daily riding costs. The styling leans classic without being over the top, so you get a real cruiser feel without unnecessary distractions while you learn. If you want a beginner-friendly bike in 2026 that grows with your skills and stays practical dollar for dollar, the Kawasaki Eliminator is a solid pick that blends comfort, ease of use, and everyday riding readiness. Number 4. Yamaha MT-03. The Yamaha MT-03 is a naked street bike that makes a lot of sense for beginners in the USA in 2026 if you want sporty looks without a high price. With starting price near $5,000 new, it stays in a budget-friendly range while giving more performance than tiny starter bikes. Its 321cc twin-cylinder engine has enough punch for highway work, yet the power delivery stays smooth and easy to modulate when you are still learning clutch and throttle control. One of the reasons this bike works so well for new riders is how light and responsive it feels at low speeds. Weighing in around 366 pounds wet, it's easy to flick through turns and manage in parking lots or heavy traffic. The upright riding position feels natural and gives good visibility in city traffic, which helps build confidence when you are still getting used to bike positioning and road awareness. Standard ABS adds safety in everyday riding situations. Fuel economy is strong for the class, often in the mid-50s to low 60s miles per gallon, so your trips to the pump will not sting your wallet. The modern, minimalist styling and digital display give it a fresh look without overwhelming you with tech while you learn. If you want a beginner-friendly machine that feels fun both in town and on open roads without a high entry price in 2026, the Yamaha MT-03 strikes a good balance of power, control, and affordability. Number 3. Honda Rebel 300. The Honda Rebel 300 is one of the most approachable budget motorcycles for beginners in the USA in 2026, with a new price around $4,500. Its 286cc single-cylinder engine delivers calm, predictable power that makes learning clutch control and throttle smooth and less stressful. That gentle character means you spend more time focusing on skills and less time wrestling with unexpected bursts of speed. This bike's cruiser style with a low seat height makes it easier to reach the ground at stops, which can boost confidence for riders who are still getting used to bike balance. At about 364 pounds wet, it feels light enough to manage in tight spots and day-to-day traffic without struggle. The relaxed riding position and simple controls make longer rides feel less tiring once you are ready to stretch your legs beyond short trips. For someone in 2026 who wants a real motorcycle feel, cruiser ergonomics that help rather than hinder, and a price that leaves room in your budget for gear and lessons, the Honda Rebel 300 is a standout beginner choice that gives confidence without compromise. Number 2. Benelli 502C. The Benelli 502C is a cruiser that gets a lot of attention in the USA in 2026 because it pairs distinctive Italian styling with a price that stays near $6,000 new, which is competitive for a middleweight bike with this look and feel. Its 499cc twin-cylinder engine gives enough power for highway speeds, yet the power delivery feels smooth and controllable for a new rider who is still learning clutch and throttle coordination without stress. Weighing in around 480 pounds wet, it sits in a middle ground that is not too heavy for slow-speed maneuvers while still feeling planted on open roads. The riding position leans toward relaxed cruiser posture, with a low seat height that helps many riders put both feet on the ground at stops, which can be a real confidence booster early on. If your 2026 budget allows a bit more upfront cost but you want a bike that feels comfortable, stylish, and not overly intimidating for a beginner, the Benelli 502C offers a solid mix of capability and everyday practicality that makes it worth a look. Number 1. Royal Enfield Meteor 350. The Royal Enfield Meteor 350 is one of the most budget-friendly and beginner-oriented motorcycles you can find new in the USA in 2026, with a typical price around $4,700. Its air-cooled single-cylinder 350cc engine delivers smooth, easy-to-use power that won't overwhelm a new rider yet still feels capable for highway cruising when you are ready to stretch your legs beyond short trips. That simplicity is what a lot of new riders want early on because it lets you focus on mastering clutch, throttle, and road awareness without battling excessive power. This bike's design favors comfort and confidence. The low seat height and relaxed posture help riders feel secure at stops and in slow-speed traffic, which are common stress points when you're just getting started. At around 415 pounds wet, it feels stable but not overly heavy, so handling tight turns and parking lot maneuvers feels less intimidating. Fuel economy stays strong, often above 60 miles per gallon, which keeps trips to the gas station affordable, and insurance for this class tends to be economical compared with larger bikes. If you want a real motorcycle experience in 2026 that stays gentle on your wallet from purchase through insurance and gas, while still giving a comfortable ride that builds confidence as you improve, the Royal Enfield Meteor 350 is a standout beginner choice that makes sense for many new riders. And with this, we have reached the end of this video. Make sure to like it and subscribe the channel for future upcoming videos.